Oh my god, what happened? This is beaming. I'm gonna give this advent calendar. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Catrice DIY advent calendar. This is the third year that we have an advent calendar by Catrice Cosmetics, and the price for this one is 35 euros. We have 24 full-size products and 8 of them are designed for this advent calendar. So I'm very curious to see what we have. Last year we had a great value for the money advent calendar by Catrice. In DIY advent calendars usually we have paper bags and stickers, and we can do it ourselves. Before we start, share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. And at the end of this video I'll come back with the overall value of the products because we don't have any claims for this one. My husband stuck this paper for me so I don't see the products. Moment of truth. And this is how it looks. We have all of the products in the box, and as I can see, these are the stickers that we got and the paper bags that are very similar to the design of the advent calendar. They are super pretty. I'm very excited. So I'm trying to not look in the box, and we have here an eyeshadow palette. This one is the Blazing Bronze Collection eyeshadow palette, and we have it in the shade Call It What You Want. The packaging of mine is a little bit scratched. Okay, let's do some swatches. Ooh, these look super glorious. And I think the formula is a little bit drying, but maybe it is just my skin, which is always dry. Swatches cannot really tell the quality of the eyeshadows. So usually Catrice advent calendars have only makeup products or sometimes nail polishes. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a makeup tutorial, a nail tutorial. And the next product is the Prima and Fine Luminizing powder in a waterproof, and also the color is Radiant Beige. I have never seen this product before, so I'm not very sure if this is one of the 8 products designed for this advent calendar. It has a universal beige color that can adapt to every skin tone. So okay, let's open this. I'm super curious to see how it looks. Oh, we also have a mirror. So this is a very nice product to have in your bag. The mirror is amazing, guys. It is super clear. It is very soft. It looks transparent, so maybe it can actually work for a lot of skin tones. Product number 3 is this eye foundation waterproof eyeshadow primer in matte. This is in the shade 10, As Strong As You Are. Usually I have concealer on my eyes, so let's see how this is. Ooh, we have an applicator. This one doesn't have a lot of coverage. I don't know if I can use it because I have a lot of veins to cover on my eyelids. Let's continue with another palette. I think this is the Luminize Highlight and Bronze Glow palette. This one is in the shade 20 Feel Gold. This is how it looks. The palette is super pretty. We also have a small mirror and these beautiful 3 shades. I really like the packaging. Oh my god. In the palette, they don't look so shiny. Product number 5, and this is the limited edition Catrice Advent Calendar DIY Powder Highlighter in the shade Soft Candlelight. This is super pretty. We also have the design of the Advent Calendar. It looks like a beautiful champagne. Oh my god, what happened? This is beaming. I really like very shiny highlighters. This one is gorgeous. Also it is vegan. However, I think this one is a little bit too light for darker skin tones. So maybe you can mix them with the highlighter palette. Product number 6 is a brush. And this one is the limited edition Advent Calendar DIY multi-purpose brush. So the products that are designed for the Advent Calendar have a title. This one is also cruelty-free and vegan. And oh my god, this is super pretty and soft, and I really like the design. This one has a smaller handle, but it is very easy to hold it in your hand. Moving on to another palette, and this one is the all-around color correction palette. I have tried some other color correcting products by Catrice. I have never tried this one. I'm very curious about the texture because when the products are very thick, they cannot work for dry skin. And ooh, that's pigmented. Look at that. You just need a little bit. The consistency is a little bit greasy. And as we can see, we have a very nice opacity. Ooh, I think we have one more palette. And this is the Superbia Volume 2 Frosted Top Eyeshadow Edition. And I think I have seen this palette before, but I'm not very sure. This one is in the shade 10, CY Fire. Okay. This one here is a little bit warmer, and this one is cooler. I want to see this purple, this one, and this. And they don't look so bad in the swatches. I have used more product now, so you could see the colors. The packaging is pretty plasticky and a little surreal. Next we have something like a stick, and this is the Eyeshadow Sticks. It is up to 12-hour long lasting and sweat proof. And this one here is in the shade 30 Powerful Peach. So I'm very curious to see the shade. I don't remember this product as well. This one is very creamy. You can also use it as an eyeshadow base for a smoky eye look. After a while, it's not very sticky, so maybe you can use it by itself without any eyeshadow on top of it. So, ooh, I think we have one more palette. And this is the Superbia Volume 1. This is the Warm Copper Eyeshadow Edition. I prefer the packaging of this one. It is super cute. And let's see the eyeshadows. Ooh, this is super pretty for everyday eye looks. I like that we don't have exactly the same color stories in the palettes. Okay, and ooh, I want to see also this one here. Ooh, I think I like these eyeshadows more. I really like color stories like this one. Here we have a mascara, and this is the Lashes to Kill Pro Instant Volume Mascara in Ultra Black, and this one can last 24 hours. Who is not removing their makeup? Whew, I'm very curious about the applicator. Okay, I like it. I can definitely use it. Product number 12, I think. So this is the Golden Dust Highlighter Drops, and I think I have this product in the shade Space Gold, so let's go and check. Found it! This is mine, as you can see, and I remember I bought it last year, and my main issue was that it was very thick. Maybe mine was the problem. Well, you don't need a lot, and this is a color. This one dries pretty fast. You can also set it with a powder highlighter if you like. I'm touching something around, and this one here is the powder blush in the shade Blushing Excitement, and it is super pretty. This is one of the limited edition products. It has also the design, and this one is gonna be very dark for me. Definitely. Usually dark blushes look very muddy on my cheeks. I like the stamp of the product, and I'm trying to not destroy it. So let's see the color. If you just take a small amount, you can blend it out and make it more wearable, but I'm not very sure if I can use it on me. It has a satin finish. It is not completely matte. And after that we have the Brow Colorist Semi-Permanent Brow Mascara, and you can have darker brows in 2 weeks. I have actually tried this in a video. I didn't get a good shade. It was a little bit reddish, and I didn't like the product so much. So this one is in the shade 15 Soft Brunette, and this one here has microfibers. The next one feels like a highlighter, and it's not. This is the HD Active Performance Primer with SPF 30, and this is waterproof and sweat proof. I'm back! This one is mine. I think I bought it last year and I forgot about it. I actually like it, and it reminds me another primer by Catrice, the Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Base actually. Here we have the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil Color and Contour. It can last up to 6 hours, and we have the shade 10 From Rags to Roses. I don't have a lot of lip pencils by Catrice. Ooh, this is very creamy. I can use this color every day. I like this shade a lot. You can also use it as a base underneath your lipstick. And moving on to the Generation Matte Comfortable Liquid Lipstick. This is the shade 90, Girls Bite Back. And I think I have used this liquid lipstick again. I'm not very sure. I have it in another shade. This is in 10 Nude Town Express. These were released last year. The color that I have is not actually a liquid lipstick. It is like a creamy lipstick, but it was not so long lasting, at least for this color here. I think these liquid lipsticks now are discontinued. The color is very nice. Also, you can use it with the lip pencil that we got. And this one is very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't dry out. Let's see product number 18. This one here is the 1 Drop Coverage Weightless Concealer. And it says it is full coverage with hyaluron and it is sweat proof. I have actually tried this one again. I have it exactly in the same shade, and this is also last year's product. So I have tried this a lot of times. It's not full coverage, at least on my eyes, that I have to cover a lot of discolorations. It has a weightless finish. It's not nice that we have a concealer in an advent calendar. One strike. Let's continue with a beautiful nail polish. I see some glitter, and this one is limited edition and designed for this advent calendar. And this one is in the shade Sparkling Flares. I want to see the design. Oh, we have 2 caps. Pretty useless. And let's see the color. Ooh, it is so pretty. This one is a little bit watery. You need to actually see where are the glitter and apply them on your nails. And we continue with one more nail polish. And this is also designed for the advent calendar. We have it in the shade Soft Candlelight. So this one has a very nice opacity with one coat. And with 2 layers, you can make it even more opaque. It is super pretty and Christmassy. After that, we have the Instant Smoky Shadow and Liner, and we have it in the shade 20 Campfire Smoke. We have a jumbo eye pencil on one side, and on the other one, a small sponge that you can smudge the line. I have this one in black, and I like using it for dark smoky eye looks as an eyeshadow base. So you can apply this on your eyelid. After that, oops, okay. And this one has a very nice color payoff. You don't need a lot of product. I'm trying to find the products. And we have here another nail polish. And this one is in the shade Blushing Excitement. This one has a very nice color payoff with just one coat. This one looks fantastic with 2 layers as well. And it goes very well with the other colors. Oh, I found one more nail polish. And this one is in the shade Unwrapped Nude. It looks like a light grey color. This one also has a very nice opacity with one coat. With 2 coats it looks even prettier. I will try to not touch my hair. And what is the other product? Oh, here it is. And this one here is one of the limited edition products for this advent calendar. We have a creamy lipstick and it is in the shade Blushing Excitement. Let's see the color. The packaging is very, very pretty. Ooh, we have a beautiful red lipstick. It is super, super creamy. I think this year they did a better job with the color palette of all of the products. Well, except the products that are not inclusive for every skin tone. Let's do this. I found the prices. Moment of truth. About the range of products, I think it's nice. However, I don't like that we have discontinued products. It wasn't very easy for me to find the prices, especially for that mascara. For this reason, I'm going to take half a star. Also, we have some products that are not inclusive for every skin tone, and that's why it loses half a star again. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4 stars, and the overall value is 102 euros, which is fantastic. Let me know in the comments if you like this advent calendar, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I'm going to be unboxing the Catrice Beauty Advent Calendar, and that's why it loses one more half a star. That's a wrap, everyone. Woohoo!